Right, assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to SHIBA update today. So in yesterday's talk and the updates on Bitcoin as well, one thing that I've noticed out is that Bitcoin dominance is on the rise. Okay, so when Bitcoin dominance is on the rise and Bitcoin is pumping as well, a lot of altcoins are about to suffer, and I've made this very clear that at this point of time, maybe for the next 1 or 2 months, altcoins may not make it big. Okay, you may see altcoins failing to continue to make any move. So basically that altcoin season that we are waiting for, those 100x, 1000x, I'm not saying it's not going to come, but I would say that it's not going to come anytime soon, at least for now, for the next maybe 4 months or 5 months. And it's okay, it's fine. It's 2023. By the way, 2023 has 2 more months left to close. And then you have 2-3 more months, maybe the first quarter of 2024, from January until March as well. We may not see altcoins moving, but I do expect big things in 2024. I still expect it, but not in the first few months of 2024. Maybe after the fifth month, we may start to see an amazing market out there in crypto. Now, as far as SHIB is concerned, I do see SHIB dropping to the downside, and this is where the problem is. You came down, you made a bear pennant, you have the technical target. So basically it's just a ladder all the way down to this technical target. So that's going to be nearly 563, and the reason for that one is because coins love to visit wicks. I've seen this with Pepe. There's a wick for Pepe, and I'm predicting that maybe that wick is going to be taken out, but this wick right here is trouble. Okay, everyone may have their stop losses down there, and I do believe that the reason why it's going very slowly is so that, have you ever felt like you are about to get liquidated when the prices are going down? You're looking to long the prices and you see the prices shooting down and you have your stop loss here. So what do? You panic, right? The first thing anyone does is panic a little bit, get stressed out, and the reason for that one is because maybe you're just trading way too much than you can handle. Maybe you're trading with a lot of money and then you're going to panic that much. Secondly is that if you see that, okay, the prices actually came down and it's moving sideways, yeah, maybe it's going to pump, you don't know, you're not sure, but you have your stop loss and you're panicking now. So the more it consolidates, the more you want to put in more money. So when you put in more money, you are basically increasing your liquidation prices. If your liquidation price is right here, so if you add more money, your liquidation price is going to be probably down to 460 as well. Okay, and the more down it comes, the more panic you have. The more down it comes, the more panic you have, and eventually it comes and take your stop losses, and then you add more money, and then it finally takes even one more stop loss. So basically that's just how the market really works. That's how the psychology of the market really is. So at this point of time, I may not say just because you're looking to come down it's going to be a bad thing. As a matter of fact, if I do draw in one triangle here, I think SHIB is in one of the best places that you can ever buy, and that's in this zone right there. So we may be looking at a decision coming in by May of 2024. Look at that, May 2024. A lot of people have been saying, hey, you gave us a SHIB trade, and I remember that trade very well, but just because it didn't pump on a given time frame, it doesn't really mean that I don't have any expectation of this coin in the future. I do have actually big expectation, but that's just me. Okay, that's just my research. I may be totally wrong, but the thing is, yeah, I do hope that, as far as I'm concerned, as far as I've read about SHIB, and it's almost like a Dogecoin kind of a coin, which may surprise in the future, but it's going to take time. And once again, the market is not good for altcoins, not just SHIB, any altcoin at the moment. So you may see this few touches here and a move to the upside, one touch here, move to the upside. I do believe if SHIB does come down here again, you can actually get a trade and you can make some, if it pumps back up, you're looking for a 40% opportunity. And that's it for this update on SHIB. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.